So we're back on this side of the river today. Walked back across following the same route because we knew we were going there, and we're going to check out further into the town on this side of the river. We came to see these colourful stairs, but yeah, they're not as bright and vibrant as the photos on the internet. So we missed the road we were meant to go down, did a big out of the way walk. We're now getting back on track, trying to get to the Schindler's enamel factory. But yeah, we crossed the train line and then got a little, well, not lost, just took the wrong road. This looks like a big new apartment area. Very modern new apartments. Right, we found the right street now. On the right there, that's the Schindler's enamel factory. There's people waiting to go in and do a tour, I would say. Finally seeing some tourists again. We were in a spot where in the middle of nowhere. There was absolutely no one for a while.
Oh, that's your lunch. Sorry.
Back crossing the river again.